aren't you the one that everybody's panicking at? We are seeing this big bad wolf, and we want to draw him like what he is. So, first things first, reference image. What is his name? Death Reaper Puss in Boots. I'm picking this for colors, not for quality. First things first, what is missing here? There could be something here also. And I will already say ambient light and occlusion shadows. We can see shadows. We can see shadows here. We can see shadows here. We can see shadows. Those shadows are right. Good. But those occlusion strong shadows, almost black, or those ambient light shadows, it's a little bit here. No, you go even more down. You go all the way here. You go all the way here and here. These are the things that we're gonna be focusing here. Where is the shoulder? We gotta have the shoulder here. If we can see the silhouette of the other shoulder, we can see this silhouette too. Why not? So first thing, separate shoulder from chest. Small triangle. All that you gotta, no questions. Just think, hey, here, triangle going down. Triangle going down. That's right. This is trapezium. Trapezium, you go high. As freak, you go high. Chest. Look at this huge chest. We can make it even huge. Even more huge. Or we make the size of the head smaller. Both way work. Okay, right now you see here my modes here. Yeah, you see that. I'm going to change it to color burn, okay? Not multiply. Color burn. You select specific places. They're gonna be another color. They're gonna be like, wow, okay? They're gonna be much darker. You're gonna burn that. You're gonna burn that area. I'm serious. We are going to do some damage here. Okay, selected all those areas. We're going to make it go darker, like darker. Make your opacity like 10%. Little by little, because we are burning stuff. About the chest, there are levels in the chest and we gotta talk about it. Let me go back to normal mode. I really want to burn the chest, but I first gotta talk with you guys. It's a serious conversation about huge muscular chest, okay? Serious conversation. First thing, huge, make the chest huge, don't shy, make that thing exploding. Now there's going to be the shadow, the main shadow. We understand that it's not going to be fully touching here. You can do fully touching here if it's easier for you to understand what I'm going to do. You start by doing this fully touching here, okay? Easy, simple, easy. But then there's going to be brighter parts here and saturated because reflection from this whitish, grayish white fur, okay? It's reflecting, as strong as the sun. And not only that, when we are drawing the chest, we tend to think, oh, all this area here brighter, all this area here brighter. We can do this different. We can do like something that people would not really think. We go like, no, it's not right. It's right. Trust me. Here, darker color. In the middle, you make it darker. I'm serious. Trust me, in the middle, where you would be doing brightness, you make it darker. I'm serious, and you're gonna see. Here, you would be doing a brightness area. Dark it up. Corner of the TB, brighter. Here, if you want, you can do some small highlight in those areas. But I don't think that's the way it works. I'm gonna break down into fibers. There's the inferior, the lower chest, middle chest, and upper chest muscles. Why I know that? Too much bench press information. Too much bench press. Okay? Too much bench press. So, right now, you're gonna think, hey, there's some things, push-pull movement here. Oh no, some push-pull movement here. Make the gradient good, okay? Don't you dare make it too strong. Look at this. That's how you do chest fur. Chest hair. The name you wanna call. Movement is everything. If you do the right movement, the right direction, it already saves you so much time. This is one of the things that I wanted to learn sooner. Oh, how I wish. Here, even darker. Don't be shy. Make it darker. Make this armpit really dark. Oh, and fur. I'm not going to use smudge tool because smudge tool is just everything in my life, so no. I'm going to use normal standard brush to show you can get fur done in any way, okay? Any way. We could do some veins here too. You can get some small places with a highlight because you really want to show, hey, this is a different place. Like here's the chest, here is shoulder, here's the end of the shoulder. Small places with highlights because we are talking about fur. This is not going to have strong highlights. Okay, abs. I'm going to remove all of those strong shadows. All of them. Here's going to be rib cage here, up here. So yeah, let's go. There's going to have a lot of fur here, okay? Let's do a fur line here in the middle. Now abs. First one, the one close to rib cage and abs. This one's really small. I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Here on those corners, it's dark. What is going to happen with the highlights? Only here in the middle, okay? I wish I could see this area here on the side. I'm going to make this area here on the side. Just a little bit, even if it's just a little bit. Okay, this fur here in the neck. Don't be shy, make that fur go out. Silhouette of the shadow of the chest is stronger. Silhouette of the chest, shadow stronger. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm an artist. I can't handle not do ring light. I'm addicted to ring light. That's it. I said it. I need to express the real thing that is happening. I'm addicted to ring light. I'm going to make ring light even in places that doesn't make any sense. That's it. His ears are very pointy. Ring light. Caps, how did you choose the placement? I was thinking of a 3D object separated of each muscle, each part, each anatomy part, and I think light coming from far right, where it's going to touch on him. Okay, the chest. I almost forgot to do this amazing light on the chest. Okay, I believe we can go to the face and everything. But first, this neck hair. I'm not going to use smudge too. I'm going to draw the direction of the fur, okay? Okay, big wolf. His colors are cold, not warm. First thing, mode of my brush, color, change it, change it, change it, change it. Here, using the color of my reference, okay? I didn't talk about the nose. Here, blue reflection. From where? Neither I know. Just do the blue. Just do the blue and you're gonna feel happiness. Happiness inside your heart. Trust me. Strong mouth. Strong mouth. Strong mouth and nice. I'm gonna get some bigger eyes. The pupils, they're really small. I'm going to make them bigger. Yeah, the pupils. The full ball of the circle. No, the full red area. Yeah, they are bigger now. Much better. Here the corner. Highlight. Here corner. Highlight. Here corner. Highlight. Here in the middle. You can do some highlight. Here in the middle. You can do some highlight. I don't find that color on his frontal area. Yeah, it's only up. No, this is not here. This is not here. But now let's go and make him a bad face. Like IQ. It's much. Liquify too. He's smiling, so it will be a little bit hard. And if you guys would like to see more fur here, it would be pretty much what I did, but bigger. And of course, a little bit of reflection down here and down here. It doesn't have the darker color on the mouth as well. Oh, I see how it is. It's a passage. It's not full like a mark. It's a passage. Okay. It's crazy how there are frames that he has the darker area. And like here, like no, you don't have it. It's gonna add a bit more fur on the chest. It really depends on your objective. If you're drawing him a full bar characters tend to focus more on muscles. But if you are focusing on like, hey, I just want to make him really fluffy, you can add more fur. You can be free and add as much fur as you want. I didn't see him that fluffy. He seems to be very short on fur. The main difference here, there are places that I was not afraid to go extremely dark. Extremely dark. I would say that would be the biggest change in understanding shape of the muscles. Also, how the shape of the muscle work. I have not added any texture here, but you can imagine everything going fur.